Yo, what's good, homies at home? It's your boy RC here. Getting ready to get into this video by Calebcity called How I Fix Snoring. Now, you know what? We all snore. Let's not lie. I know I do. Because I've been woken up by family in the middle of the night telling me I need to stop snoring or I need to do something about it. I can't help it. But let's see how Calebcity fixed snoring. Hopefully, y'all enjoy the video. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Suggest me type of video you want to see in the comment section down below. Be sure to stay active on the channel. Let's hop into the video right now. That don't sound like snoring. That sounds like something completely different. That sounds like groaning or moaning or whatever. Like deep moans. That don't sound like snoring. That ain't no snoring. That's something completely different. But I get the idea and the gist of what he's trying to do. People be snoring hella loud like that sometimes, or just hella loud sometimes in general. They be snoring louder than that. I've heard it. But let's hop back to the video. I wish somebody would do that to me. I thought he was gonna throw a bucket of water on him. He started just going straight up and punching the guy in the face. how you fight snoring 101. Somebody did that to me, I'll wake up out of my sleep and grab somebody and choke them. Or I will back smack the crap out of them. If somebody punched me in my face while I was snoring, I would be pissed. Oh my god, that is too funny. I enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all did too. See what I mean? Calebcity is hella funny. I enjoy a lot of his videos, just like Long Beach Griffey. I still feel like both of them are very underrated. Like they should have more views than what they have already. But I enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Suggest me a type of video you want to see in the comment section down below. Be sure to stay active on the channel. Until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.